Fintel Connect pricing explained what you get for your money. Fintel Connect is a comprehensive investment research and portfolio analysis platform designed for active investors and financial professionals. Most people assume advanced research tools are expensive or overly complicated, but Fintel Connect offers clear, tiered pricing that matches different user needs. The platform starts with a free plan, which gives users access to basic company financials, insider transactions, and limited alerts. This plan is ideal for casual investors or those just beginning to explore investment data. For more serious investors, Fintel Connect offers a pro plan at per month. This unlocks real-time market alerts, advanced analytics, customizable dashboards, and deeper access to institutional-level data. Users can track insider activity, monitor short interest, and receive detailed financial statement breakdowns all in one place. The surprising truth is that Fintel Connect brings professional-grade data into a user-friendly interface. Many people don't realize that features like multi-account aggregation, portfolio alerts, and historical analytics are included in the Pro plan without hidden fees or per-report charges. In conclusion, Fintel Connect pricing is straightforward and offers strong value for both casual and professional investors. By choosing the right plan, you can access the insights you need to make smarter investment decisions and monitor your portfolio effectively.